Embrace the vitality of life with the wisdom of nature. Explore how herbal supplements can support graceful, healthy aging. Today's older adults are more active than ever, cherishing every moment with the help of nature's treasures. Nature Herbal Life is your partner in finding balance through the scientifically backed benefits of bitter leaf and other herbs. At Nature Herbal Life, dedication to research means effective, trusted supplements that support your wellness journey. Age gracefully with nature's help.